Hello guys, welcome to Limitless Coder. I hope you are doing well, and today's video is about take a screenshot of a web page while we testing in. Okay, so we're going to do how can we get the screenshot of a testing web page. Okay, here we are using a interface of take screenshot and a method called get screenshot as, and we are using some file functions which is embedded with the uh, program. So let's get into the video. So I have created a class called screenshot. So I'm now going to do insert a main method here. Then I'm going to initiate the web driver, the reference name as driver, and the driver class name is Chrome driver. Okay, then I'm going to do get a URL of a Facebook page. I'm going to type this URL of Facebook. Then I'm going to do maximize the page by using driver.manage.window.maximize. Then I'm going to do pass some values in the uh, URL or username, which is in the URL. Okay, I'm just going to run this code, get the element which I'm going to pass to the case method. It is loading right now. Maximize, so I'm going to inspect it. What is the element of email? Just going to search it. Its ID is email. Okay, I'm just going to type the ID and the password here. Then I'm going to get the screenshot of those things after entering the email and password. Okay, just closing it out right down. So I'm going to pass some values by using to finding the element driver.find element by dot ID is email, right? Email. Okay, dots and keys. So I'm going to pass some values here. This limitless coder, limitless coder. Then I'm going to pass an password. Driver dot find element by dot ID, which is pass for the password. I'm going to pass some values here by using the send keys, which is limit at 123, and it was done. Then I'm going to take a screenshot of the page which the values have been entered. After then I'm going to go get a screenshot of the web page. So I'm going to use a screenshot method. So here there is a method, just going to take screenshot here, take screenshot. Okay, some of them are missing. Yeah, here it is. It takes screenshot. Then I'm going to pass, it is an interface, take screenshot is an interface. I'm going to give a reference name of a screenshot equal to, I have to typecast the typecast it, so it will pass some error. So I'm going to do for typecast, you have to follow some rules here. So it was done. This is a typecast of a take screenshot interface. So I have done it here. It have been done before in alert also. Then I'm going to save the screenshot in a file. Okay, so I'm going to create a file for that. First of all, I'm going to get the screenshot here by f is equal to, f is a reference name of the file name. Then I'm going to get the screenshot here. So screenshot dot get screenshot is a method. Okay, nothing but get screenshot as is a method. So here we are going to pass what is the file type of the your okay file. Okay, so output type is just we have to give file. Here it will pass some exception here. Okay, change the type of file. Yeah, it was done. Here it will give the screenshot as a file and it will be stored in F. Okay, then we have to create a new file to store some things, to store the value of to store the file in a new file. Okay, so I have created as D. Then I'm going to create a new file called, so F file D reference name is equal to new file, and we have to enter the path of the file name. So here there is a path. Okay, you can see here there is a path for origin org.kim package. So I'm going to get this URL here. So I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, I have copied it, and then I'm going to paste it here. Then you can see after creating the file, after giving the path, then we have to give a file name for this one. So it is Facebook, right? So Facebook dot jpeg. Jpeg is an type of the file name which we are going to save it. So it is an image, right? So I'm going to facebook.jpg. Okay, then I'm going to copy this file from here to here. We have to move the file as a screenshot. This is the output of the file. Then I'm going to copy this F from D. So here I'm using the file utils. Okay, dot copy file from the source file to the destination file. Copy source file is F and the D file is the destination file. Then I'm going to done it is here. Okay, here it pass some exception, it is IO exceptions, then it will be done. Okay, now we are going to run this code. Okay, driver.close, I'm including this also. After it will be taking the screenshot, then we are going to close the browser WebDriver. Okay, now I'm going to run this code. You can see it is working or not. It will be displayed on our package, and see, yeah, it was closed, right? So here we can see there is no file here. Okay, I'm just going to refresh it and see facebook.jpg is not shown here. I will show the image of the file. Okay, okay, where is the file name here? Okay, facebook.jpg. Then I'm going to just going to this folder. Then you can see the Facebook image here. Then I'm going to open this it here. You can see after the value have been passed, you can get the image of the testing page. Okay, so why we are using the screenshot, why we take the screenshots in Selenium? The whole point of our automated testing, if it is detected, if one has to rerun an entire test every time a script fails. Okay, so that's why we are going to took a screenshot of each testing. So we can include this method in the coding. Okay, in the code. Okay, it helps to have the bug pointed out in the code and to have some visual representations of the exact anomaly. Okay, so similarly a tester must check if the application flow is intended. Once again, visual representation through screenshot testing helps in this case. Okay, so that's why we are using Selenium screenshots come into play. Okay, this here some typical cases where it's crucial to take a screenshot in Selenium when application. Okay, there is a 4 points there. So why we are going to get the screenshot of the web page? Okay, well, the first point is when application issues occur or when an assertion failure occurs. Okay, when there is some difficulty in finding web elements on a page, if we are giving a wrong web element here to find the username here, so it will took a screenshot after this element to be passed here. Okay, when there is a timeout in finding a web element on a web page, if some error occurs, unable to find the element or no such element exception if occurs, it will be useful to took a screenshot of a web page. It will be more useful to rectify this as same. Testing has become much more straightforward thanks to certain some new functionalities incorporated in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, since a WebDriver architecture allows a user to interact outside the JavaScript sandbox, and it is possible among the other things to took a screenshot in Selenium. Okay, so this is the simplest video to took a screenshot of a web page. Okay, I hope if you all enjoy this video, make sure to click down a link below to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment for more specific videos. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.